Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best PiggyVest features like SafeLock for discipline. And here is how it works. If you struggle to save consistently, PiggyVest has tools that help you stay disciplined and grow your money without thinking too hard. First is SafeLock. It lets you lock away funds for a set period so you can't touch them, and it returns you higher return than regular savings. It's perfect for big goals like emergencies or future plans because it takes temptation out of the picture. Another one is target savings. You name what you are saving for, set a target amount and date, and PiggyVest help you track progress. You can automate deposits so money moves into your goal without you doing anything. Finally, automatic saves schedules transfer from your bank on a regular basis, which builds your savings habit simple by showing up. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more easy money tips, and comment which PiggyVest feature you would like to use first. And that's it.